Hi folks, welcome back to the bench. Today we've got a lovely little acoustic with an action that's a little bit high. We're going to reduce it down, put some fresh strings on, give it a clean up. Let's get to it. Just before we do the reducing of the saddle, I'm just going to check my neck and make sure everything's okay. It just needs a little bit more positioning in the neck. Again, how are we having our string heights? What strings are you using? What guitars are you playing, really? It's always nice to speak to people and compare, and that is perfect. This has to be one of the highest actions that I've seen for many years, just over 3.5 mil. We're going to aim to reduce that down to sort of 2.25, maybe 2. As always, let us know in the comments, how do you like yours? What's your preference? Thinking medium low is probably what we'll go for. To reduce this down, you can use machines and different files. I'm going to opt for the traditional sandpaper method. Just got a little bit more control over it, and I just feel the finish is a little bit better suited. I'll let you know how I get on. We're almost there with this, just the last couple of little bits finalising the corners, and we should be good to go. Right guys, and that's all done. We're going to get remeasured now. I know, tell me you're a guitar tech without telling me you're a guitar tech. It's a good job I weren't picking my nose. We're going to remeasure, and then we'll get strung up, recheck the truss rod, and then we should be good to go. Might be a little nut cut, but we're almost there. Right guys, last thing will just be now to cut the nut slot depths correctly, and we should be good to go. Absolutely perfect. And there we have it folks, all done, action lowered, fresh set of strings, ready to be rocked and loved again. As always, another day, another guitar. See you soon.